Hello world. So today we have received another package here with little tool. Received it from Cousins Material House Limited, and this one is here you have a tweezer. It's special for using when you're removing the hands, for example, of the watches. So here we have it. It is actually Dumont, and it is the WA1, and this will be perfect for handling the hands as they are easily scratched and they are not easy to replace. So it is important to always be careful when you're working with the hands and all other parts of the watches as well. So I would like to show you this one. Let's take a look. This looks really good, and it looks and feels good. This will be a great help when I will work with the watches. This is how it looks like. It's perfect. Looks really good. And it will probably, yeah, it will. This is really good stuff. Hope you liked the video.